Hi guys, Nat from Prospect Tentworld today, and got Brendan here, my mate, with me. We're going to be talking about the Victorinox Soldier knife. So this is a bit of a multi-purpose knife. Victorinox have been making these for over 100 years. As you can see, it's got a half serrated, half straight edge blade. It's made from martensitic stainless steel alloy composition. It's got a chromium plated saw blade, makes it nice and hard and really sharp. We've got the can opener here with a small flathead screwdriver on the end. We've got your bottle opener with a large flathead screwdriver on the end. And as you might notice, we also have got a wire stripper hidden there. Here we've got your Phillips head screwdriver and your ream punching tool. Okay, so they're the quick features. Now I'll just show you this from closed. It's a little bit safer. So just to show you, the knife is actually one hand opening. Alright, it does lock in position. It keeps your hands nice and safe. What you'll notice though is it's two hand closing, so you'll actually need to push the lock aside in the opposite direction to close that one. The blade, however, just pops straight out. There's no locking mechanism on that. It cuts through wood really well, very sharp. Be careful with your fingers because you will remove skin with that one easily if you get your fingers caught. In terms of the other tools, we have the bottle opener, which actually locks in place as well. Alright, so again, two hand for closing on that one. So just to let you know, if you're trying to make a hole in a leather belt, the reaming tool / punching tool is quite good for that. You'll be able to make your belt a few sizes smaller with that tool, and I've done so before. It's quite handy. Now Brendan here has brought some products along to showcase some of these tools.
So we were gifted these very generously by our local politicians, as you can see. I don't think they'll be missing a little too much. And also, got this bad boy as well. It's fantastic.
That's actually really good. I'll have some more of that, thanks. Just pierce the can and just hold onto the side of the can lip with the edge there. So you're going to have to push in and across as you go. Not a big fan of brains, so I might just leave this one for someone else.